Welcome back to Scrummy. Look what we're making today, raspberry ruffles. If you haven't tried raspberry ruffles, they're a coconut and raspberry treat covered in milk chocolate. These are great to make with your children or even if you just fancy something nice yourself. We're going to start by adding the desiccated coconut into a medium-sized bowl. Add in the raspberry jelly crystals and the icing sugar. Now just mix everything together until well combined. Pour in a tin of condensed milk. Mix together and you'll need a little bit of elbow grease just to get the coconut mixed into the condensed milk. Just look at that colour, how pink is that? It's ready, so let's get it into a lined baking tin. This one measures 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres. Press the mixture down with a spoon or using your hands until it's nice and smooth. That's perfect to place in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to prepare the chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate. You can also use dark chocolate if you prefer, and melt it over a pan of simmering water. This one is dairy milk, but you can also use Galaxy or even just a store branded one is perfect too. Now I'm adding some melted white chocolate which I've coloured with a pink gel colour. Place some blobs on top and using a skewer, mix it into the milk chocolate to create this lovely colourful swirl. I'm finishing off with some silver edible glitter. The white chocolate and glitter is entirely optional, so it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. Pop in the fridge for at least 1 hour until it's set. Wait till you see these, don't they look perfect? Just a little tip for you, when you're cutting them up, use a warm knife and this will help get a nice smooth finish. Check out the recipe in the description box under the video. I hope you try out these raspberry ruffles, they're delicious. Thanks for watching and happy baking everyone!
Scrummy!